Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to check if your Android phone supports eSIM. The quickest method is by using your phone's dial pad. Let's get started. First, open the phone app and go to the dial pad. Now dial *#06#. You don't need to press the call button. Your phone will automatically display your device information. Look carefully at the information shown on the screen. If you see an EID, embedded identity document, number along with your IMEI numbers, your Android phone supports eSIM. If you don't see an EID number, don't worry. Some devices may not display it even if they support eSIM, or the feature may be disabled by your carrier. In that case, open Settings and go to Network and Internet, Connections, or SIM cards and mobile network, depending on your phone. Look for options like Add eSIM, Download SIM, Manage eSIM, or Add Mobile Plan. If one of these options is available, your device supports eSIM. You can also visit your phone manufacturer's official website and check your exact device model in the specifications to confirm eSIM compatibility. That's it. Now you know how to check whether your Android phone supports eSIM. This video is made for educational purposes only. The information shared is based on publicly available online sources and research, not on my personal experience. Device features and menu names may vary depending on your Android version, phone manufacturer, and mobile carrier. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more Android tips, smartphone tutorials, and tech guides. See you in the next video.